We need to cut your hair. Why?
Because just only long.
You only want long hair?
Yes.
We only cut the side hair.
No, I don't like it too short.
We're not gonna make it short. We're just gonna cut the lower part of your hair, the side part and the back part.
No, I don't like it too lower.
Why?
Because just only tall. Mommy, just only tall.
Tall or long?
Tall.
You want a tall hair?
Yes. But we have no tall.
Are you sure? Not a long hair?
Yes.
Why?
Alright. But we have no scissors.
What? When we have no?
We have no scissors because we didn't make a higher. We didn't make a higher hair.
How about you, Kyrie? Let's cut your hair na.
No.
Why?
Because I don't like it the low one.
Why you don't like the low one?
Because it's gonna be lost.
Why? I'm not gonna make it lost. We'll just cut it short.
No, I don't like it to cut it short.
Why? Why you don't like short hair?
Because there's only tall hair.
Why?
Because not the short hair.
You're poggy with short hair.
No.
You don't
I
want-
don't like it.
You don't want to be poggy.
Yes.
You only want ugly.
Yes.
You want to be ugly.
Yes.
Are you sure? Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, Kyrie, Agam. Can you get the razor? It's time to cut your hair. And Kyrie's hair too.
No, I don't like it to make it short.
Why?
Because there's only long.
Why only long?
Because I don't like it to cut short hair. I don't like to be poggy.
You don't like to be poggy.
Yes.
You only want to be pangit?
Yes.
Ugly lang? Ah, just ugly?
Yes.
Pero you can't do anything about it because I still need to cut your hair, okay? Kyrie? Kyrie, I still need to cut your hair, okay?
And then it will be gone.
No, it won't be gone. We just need to cut the side part of his hair and the back part.
I don't like it to go to the mirror.
Why you don't like to go to mirror?
Because I don't like it to get short hair.
No, we're not gonna make it.
I don't like to be poggy.
Why? Why you don't like to be poggy? You're always poggy.
No, I don't like it. I don't like it.
Go, Kyra. You want to be pretty?
Yes.
Let's cut your hair short.
No. Like. Don't shout.
Don't shout.
The
The
wawa
wawa will get mad.
people.
On the next door. You want the wawa on the next door to get mad? Huh? She will spank you. You want?
Yes.
Oh, you want them to
she'll
spank
cut
you?
you. And then.
Ano, Kyrie? We cut your hair short? Daddy! Daddy, I'm gonna cut Kyrie's hair na eh.
No, I don't like to be poggy. Bah!
You don't want to be poggy?
Yes.
Why?
Why?
Just only.
Ugly.
You want to be ugly na?
Yes.
Why do you want short hair?
Because just only tall.
Tall hair. Just like daddy's hair? You only want that hair, that daddy's hair?
Yes.
Look at daddy's hair, oh. Kyrie. Kyrie, look at daddy's hair. Kyrie, look at daddy's hair. You like that? Like that the hair? Huh? Like that hair you want?
Ay, stand up na.
I don't like it to go to the mirror. I don't like it to go to the mirror.
You want?
Stand up na.
You want?
Come on.
I don't like short hair. I don't like it to be short.
You want it to be short?
No, I don't like it. I'm not poggy.
You're not poggy.
You're not poggy.
then you're...
Eh, you're pogi no matter what. You're pogi.
No! Yes! No! Yes! Yes!
Kyra, don't fight with your brother.
Yes! Yes!
Kyra! Maldita ka yan.
I don't like it to get short. I don't like it to be foggy.
Oops. Show them your hair. Show them your hair. Okay. Okay, you look at there. There. The other side. There. What can you say about your haircut? What can you say about your haircut? Are you foggy?
Yes.
Yes, do you like it?
Yes.
Why the other day you're saying that you don't like to cut your hair? And you don't want to be foggy.
Because I want to be foggy.
Oh, you want to be foggy na. Astig